It is bare months indeed. Rainy season is visible in every corner of our hometown. I really love this time of the year. The cold weather, the sound of the raindrops splashing into the surface. I just love rainy days. I have always loved rainy days. It's actually not just the rain that I love, but also the memories that I carry along with those rainy days from my childhood. Today, I woke up with the sound of the rain hitting into our roof. One thing that crossed my mind was this question: when was the last time you showered in the rain? Do you remember? And guess what? I can no longer remember when. So, I decided that today I will be enjoying every drop of the rain outside. I will be roaming around and witness what our surroundings looks like when it rains, just like the old times. While I'm outside enjoying every drop of the rain, I'm seeing green leaves covered with drops of water, and it gives me more joy. And feeling those droplets of water in my head, it is just so relaxing. Then I realized that a lot has actually changed, especially with nature. I won't go further about it, but I want all of you to know that our environment is not as healthy as it was. We need to take care of our world.